Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So this is March 2025's Wednesday series video number 4A. So please note that in every month, including March, I concentrate on one stamp set, suite, or bundle, and for the month of March, I have been concentrating on the Storybook suite. Yes, I bought the entire suite, so it is a 2 stamp set and die suite with the gorgeous little antique pearls, the petal pink ribbon, and then the DSP. So for my Wednesday series that I've brought back from the holidays, I am working on art projects and craft projects to decorate my living room and or kitchen. I haven't decided where yet I'm putting them. Pretty sure it's one or the other, right? I haven't decided yet till I get it all in there. But for spring, and I am so excited to be doing this. So I'm using the Timeless Plaid and the ephemera from the Storybook DSP, Storybook Moments DSP. There are so many things. I'm not going to go into that because I want to keep these videos kind of short. So there's probably 3 videos every Wednesday, and I'm not even going to go into the whole spiel with the Monday series and the Saturday series. They are using the same stamp set every weekend, every Monday or every Saturday. But I do different things in every video. But this one, there's A, B, and C. C, I have only done one yet. I haven't got the other C done, but they're quick little projects just to show you with what I am doing with my stuff. So with the A, I am using the Happy Houseplants kit. This was a free celebration item that you could have got. However, I bought this for my daughter for Christmas last year for her birthday and she did not use it. And so I'm using it, though I'm keeping all of her pieces in here. She is a plant person. I am not. I kill just about everything unless it's outside in the garden because the garden does the work, right? So I just think these are, hopefully if you see these, you're thinking, oh my goodness, look what I could do with those. Yes, you could do so much more with these little frames. So I'm keeping all of her pieces in here, and I'm doing this simply because when or if she ever gets around to wanting to make these little frames for herself, she can do so and I can take these out. Otherwise, what I'll be doing is decorating these for the holidays and using them. So really quick and easy. I'm using the Timeless Plaid as you see here, and then my ephemera pieces. You can see I have 2 butterflies, this little piece, and one of the backings came off of there. This cute little squirrel with the little catching the little butterflies. And I've also been using great use of these, the inspirational phrases sticker pack that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I got 40% off of it. So I'm just, finding quick, simple little projects for myself. So if you find these are hard, you can always take your bone folder or a knife, a butter knife, and go like that. But they're not too hard, and you just take the back out. Now I did discover in video 3A that there is a cover sheet both front and back, so I'm going to have to go back over my take my projects apart and take them off front and back. I did not realize that. It happens. Not worried about it. So I'm just going to pop that in there, set this aside because I don't need that anymore. And this, you could stamp on this mat. I don't need to. I just am going to look at my DSP. I like it this way. I do like it this way. So I know that my little butterfly catching little squirrel is going to go about right here. Right there. This one's going to go down here. This is going to be so quick, guys. You couldn't believe it. This one's going right there. And then I have 2 butterflies. But the 2 butterflies have to wait because I need to get my sticker. And the sticker is right here. It's already marked butterflies. And I can remove my paper clip. Oh, it's stuck to the Post-it note. And this one says, happiness isn't getting what you want, it's getting what you've got. And oh boy, does the world need to learn that. Oh, so true. People need to learn that and live. Oh, so true. So this is going to go, I think, let's see, he's there. Let's put it, oh, right there. And give it a good rub down. Absolutely love it. So then I have a couple more little butterflies that are just going to be, the pointy end goes down. So maybe I only need the one. You know what, guys? I only need the one, so I'm putting that butterfly back on the tray of goodies, and that's it. And my daughter is calling me. So let's put this in here. I'll call her back. She's just calling to tell me she's on her way home, I'm sure. Put this back in. Oops, come on. This is quicker than the other one. Unbelievable. Prep work, right? Knowing exactly what it is. So I am going to grab the other ones because now all 4 of them are done. So where's 1, 2, 3? Oh, there they are. Just they're kind of. So this was 4A. This one was 3A. This was 2A. No, this was 1A. This was 2A. And that is hopefully not in the plastic, but on that plastic piece that needs to come off. And these are the 2 that I need to remove the plastic off of. So I'll be sitting here doing that here. And these are going to go into my living room. So that's her again. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I'm going to get off and call my daughter right back. So hopefully you come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.